This has to be the place. 42. Okay, checking again. Yep, matches. No mistake. All right, here we go. Okay, this is the place. Let's check the ad. Whoa, this can't be right. It's a total dump. Look at this penthouse photo. It's all sun-drenched and perfect. Wow, a luxury penthouse. Okay, let's try the code. Huh? The 5 and 8 buttons are missing.
Leo is angry. He kicks the door and it opens slowly.
Whoa, this place is huge. What is that? Easy there, kitty. The elevator has to be around here somewhere. Oh, come on! Do not use? Guess it's the stairs. I have to keep going.
He needs to go up, but the elevator is broken. He must use the stairs. He is on the 5th floor now. He is very tired and hot. He finds his room, apartment 5B. He opens the door.
Whoa, this is tiny. I can literally touch both walls. This is going to be interesting. He opens the door. It's tiny. He can touch both walls if he stretches his arms out. Now for the panoramic city view. Wow, look at the dust motes dancing in the light.
Bang! The machine is very loud. The whole room shakes.
Come on, light! Whoa! Not again!
It is dark. Leo turns on the light. The light bulb breaks.
I need to wash my face. Oh, come on, just one drop? Come on, just a little more. Ah, not again! Why me?
Ugh, this water is freezing. So cool.
Leo is sad. He sits on a chair, but the chair breaks.
Whoa, a spider. Hey, little guy, I'll call you Frank. Frank, you're my friend now. Don't be scared, Frank.
Almost got it! Oh! Whew, that was close. Oh no, the door plank is broken. Wait, what's that glowing in the corner? It's a slime mold, and it's glowing. Whoa, what is that thing? I gotta call the landlord. No service? Come on! The walls are too thick! What the? A pigeon? No, not my journal! Get away! This is unbelievable. Hey, get away from that! Shoo! Go on! Ugh, not now. I'm starving now. I have to find food before I pass out. My journal will guide me. All right, let's do this.